So in terms of internal medicine, you're going to be dealing with acute conditions, outpatient conditions, and also chronic conditions and inpatient conditions. Mainly, you'll be doing inpatient. That's the main thing. Okay. Now, who are internists? So when you become an internist, you typically will become board certification by ABIM. That's the internal medicine board examination. Most of the physicians do private practice, and then the 14 is going to be under academia. You can be specialized in general, and then there's the subspecialties for fellowships for internal medicine. So for internal medicine, you have a wide variety of specialties. You have allergy, immunology, you have cardiology, you have endocrinology, you have GI, you have hematology, infectious disease, pulmonary medicine, rheumatology, and these are some emerging ones as well. Women's health, sports medicine, hospice, geriatrics, adolescent medicine, and addiction medicine.